everyone, welcome to the introduction to build an AWS ETL data pipeline in Python on YouTube data project. Every month, over 2.6 billion users access YouTube, generating massive amounts of data. Companies launching ad campaigns need insights from this data to answer critical questions like what factors make a video go viral, what sort of audience is watching our content, or how effectively can we use this data. There are various questions that need to be answered by different sorts of businesses. Processing the structured and semi-structured data requires a scalable, efficient solution. Our solution leverages the power of AWS to create a robust ETL pipeline. Using Python, AWS Glue, Lambda, Athena, and QuickSight, we process YouTube data to extract actionable insights, transforming raw data into valuable business intelligence. Let's see how we can do that. This is the architecture for our ETL pipeline. It begins with the data ingestion into S3 landing area, where raw files are securely stored. Next, AWS Glue transforms and cleans the data, preparing it for analytics. Lambda functions handle additional custom transformations and triggers. Transformed data is stored in the cleansed S3 data lake. Metadata for all datasets is registered in the AWS Glue data catalog, ensuring efficient access. AWS Athena enables querying of the processed data using SQL, while Amazon QuickSight creates intuitive dashboards to visualize insights for decision making. To ensure reliability, AWS CloudWatch monitors the pipeline, providing real-time alerts for failures or anomalies. This project's pipeline simplifies big data processing, turning YouTube data into meaningful business metrics and strategies. So this is it for this video. We hope you enjoy working on this project.